No, no one's home right now. What am I gonna do? I don't know, I'll probably just get on my Xbox and play for a little while. Other than that, probably not much. I lead a pretty boring life. Yeah. No. Hold up. I'll call you back later. Yeah, hi. I'd like to report something a little bit alarming.
I've been thinking. Can I bring my dog next time we go on a heist?
You're not gonna bring your dog.
Come on, why not?
It's a bad idea.
Come on, I have this new puppy, and he's very lonely. And you know how tense you always get when we...
What is it?
I don't know what you two are doing, but I just called the neighborhood watch. Yeah, whatever. Go away.
Wait, hold on a second. You work at the Locksmith, right?
Yes.
Get in the car.
No. My soccer coach is a police officer. And when he finds out about this, he's going to be very angry.
So let me get this straight. You want to rob all of Main Street?
Yeah, the whole thing is on one power grid. Stuart will cut a line, and every single security system will be out.
I don't care about your stupid plan. I don't even know why I'm here. Just let me go.
You're gonna make me a key that gets into every single store.
I'm not going to make you a key to get into any store.
You're in a locked basement. Where do you think you're gonna go?
Fine. I'll make you a bump key.
What's a bump key?
It utilizes the standard pin and tumbler system. It works on like 95% of all the doors.
Good. Stuart's out getting supplies, and you or me are gonna go canvass that area tomorrow and make sure your plan works. So what do you think about this area?
I mean, looks good. Right on Main Street. Gonna have to take a look at the lock and see what it is.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just a standard pin and tumbler lock. It should be pretty easy to do.
Let's come back tonight.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna check something real quick, okay?
Okay.
Did you take my suitcase?
No, I didn't take your
Did you take that briefcase?
No, I didn't take your briefcase, man. What's so important about that briefcase anyway?
It's my boss's. He's funding this whole operation. If he found out I lost it, why am I even telling you this? Let's go.
Hello?
You ready?
Absolutely.
Hit it. Give me the key.
What did you do?
Elliot!
Oh man.